Hey everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Today I'm going to do a very quick and short haul as I had to go to Dollar Tree to pick something. So I found some interesting things that I want to share with you all. So yeah, let me start with the food. And this is actually the breakfast cookies. And it's blueberry and it's like 50% more. There are 9 packs in it now. So I wanted to share this with you. So this is one of our favorites. So I just wanted to show this in this haul. Yeah, this is the one. And I found this nice elbow pasta, and this is a good brand. I usually buy this from Kroger, so I found in Dollar Tree, so I picked 2 of them. So I got elbow and I got penne. So this is a good product for $1, guys. So yeah. And the next one is the dirty rice. This is our regular ritual. We have to get this. My daughter loves this. So whenever she gets done, so I keep buying this. So again, they reduce the quantity to, 5 ounces bag. So yeah, this is one good product that we like. And of course, Hershey's, everyone loves this. So there are how many? 5 packs in it. So yeah, we love this. And the next one is the Morena sugar, and this is a pure cane sugar, and it's vegan and is like bone char free, so all kinds of good things. And it's like 2 lb bag. It's definitely a good product for $1. So yeah, and I love this sugar. Whenever I go, I just stock it up. So I got 2 of them this time. And the next one is the Godiva chocolate. I can't believe they carry this stuff. So this is one of my favorite chocolates. So I got few of them. Yeah, this is one of my favorites. Got this paper bowl set. They got 10 count. So this is needed for one of the upcoming event. So I got one of this. So the next one is the wax paper. So I'm doing a lot of baking these days, so I need this a lot. And I got this window cleaner. This actually works really good. So I got one of this, and it's like 20% more. So I got one of this. And I'm not really sure what is this used for. It says it's body wash, shampoo and conditioner all together, 3-in-1. And it's Arm & Hammer brand, so I thought it's definitely a good quality product, but I have to see how this works. So yeah, I got one of this too. So we ran out of hand soap, so I got one of these. So this is 500 ml, and 500 ml for $1. It's definitely a good product, and it's lavender in color, my favorite, of course. So yeah, I got one of these. So all the stores are running out of the hand soap, so I was just happy that I got at least somewhere I could get the hand soap. So yeah, so this is home. So a couple of hair brushes. They're definitely a good quality brushes. So this is for your color, and this one is a good brush that I keep using it. So I thought like I need a good new one, so got one of these. And this is leave-in conditioner, and it's salon selectives. So yeah, I wanted to give it a try. It's not a bad quality one, so I'm going to use it. And the next one is this close-up. I'm going to try it. It's cinnamon flavored. And the next one is this charcoal and bamboo body wash. So I'm going to give it a try. It has some nice good things in it, so thought I should give it a try. So I brought this one home. And the next one is the natural coconut and rose milk plant-based soap. So it's vegan soap, so I wanted to give it a try. So this is home as well. The next one is the cuticle oil. It's floral infused. I haven't seen this in Dollar Tree before, so I thought I should give it a try. You know, it just keeps your cuticle healthy. So this is home. And the next one is this Power Stick body spray for her. And it is so cute for $1, so I thought I should give it a try. So this is home. So my daughter loved the scrunchies last time, so she wanted some more. So I went and looked out for some, but I couldn't find more. But I got one in satin, the navy blue color. And she loves this for some reason, I don't know why. And this one is like tie-dyed. Love this color too. So I got 2 of these scrunchies this time. And I haven't seen this lip balm in cocoa butter. It's Vaseline. So they got like a lot of flavors in the Vaseline lip balm. So I picked this one because I didn't have this and I didn't use this. So I thought like I'll give it a try. And the next one is this very interesting product, like aroma diffuser. I haven't seen this in Dollar Tree before. So one time I saw in Five Below. I don't know if it's the same product. Let me show you how this looks. So the instruction says that I need to put 2 AAA batteries in this, and you need to drench this pad with some kind of an essential oils, and then twist this, and then leave the pad like this, and then twist it back. So this is how it works. So I'm going to give it a try and give a review on this. It's not bad for $1, right? So I just thought like I'll give a try. So yeah, this is definitely a cool product for $1. And this is one of the cutest stuff that I saw. And this is like one of the canister jars. And it's like cute size. It's not very big. It's not very small. So you can store some sugar or maybe candies or teas. It's up to you. So I got like 3 in green and 2 in gray. This is the most beautiful one, the grays. I love this one. And I'm going to use or give it to as a party favor. And this trinket box is very expensive looking. Can you see the bug? The golden color, 3D bug. It's so cute. It reminds me of Alexander McQueen's bug. So I thought like I should have it. So it's home. So probably I'll give it to my daughter. So she likes all these things. So this is one of it, which is home. And this is one of the bath mat. And I have an idea to do this for upcoming project. I'm planning to do something with this. Yeah, please look out for that. So yeah. I got very few florals this time. So this is one of the cute succulent that I wanted to decorate for one of my upcoming project. And I got some roses. I have a plan to do a bud rose. So I'm going to do a project with this. And this nice beautiful color. This is like, it's got like 2 shades of it. I love this combination. So I'm going to use this and in mixture of this. So this is what? Tweedia. So I'm going to use these 2 and do a project. So yeah, please look out for that. And this is one of the roadblock cone. So I'm going to use this for one of the upcoming project as well. So yeah, please look out for that. It's upcoming, guys. The next one is the napkin holder. And this one is the glove. So I saw an IGTV video on Instagram. So she basically was using these 2 together to make like a protector or like a stand for glue gun. And what she did was, I'll show you a sneak peek. So this is how I'm going to use for my glue gun as a glue gun holder. So she just had a glove on top of the napkin holder, and then this is how she stored her glue gun. So this way, like, glue gun stays, protected from, you don't have to touch it, and it's also, the glue gun stays clean and protected from us. So yeah, so this is how I'm going to do it for my upcoming projects. And in the candle section, I found this beautiful candle holders. They look so expensive, aren't they? I just loved it, the shape. It's so cute. I'm planning to do a project with this. So I got 2 of this shape, and I got, is it called hurricane? Please correct me if I'm wrong. So I got 2 of these. Aren't they cute? And I got 2 of the candle holders of 2 different sizes. So I'm having a plan to do it. I think you got what my project is. So I'm going to do a project with these. So in upcoming, please look out for that. And the next interesting one is this sandalwood oil. And I'm going to use this for the diffuser that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to drench that pad with the sandalwood oil and use the diffuser. And this one is the black marble pillar candle, and I got 2 of them. So I have a project in my mind, so I'm going to do with these candles. Yeah, please look out for that. And this is such a beautiful candle holder. It's got like nice shades of blue, purple, green, yellow, all kinds of dark blue shades of rainbow. So it's so pretty. So I couldn't, come without having this. So I brought this home. And this one is as usual, my pillar candle. This is like a fall one. So orange color. So this is home too. And this black basket is so cute. You can put a lot of stuff in this. Maybe your nail paint or your creams, lotions. In the bathroom you can keep like this, and maybe you can put some feet to it. I'm going to decorate this and use this as a basket that I can store lotions and creams in the bathroom. Yeah, I'll do this an upcoming project. Yeah, please look out for that too. And the next one is this foam letter sticker, and it's got like 4 different shades: red, blue, green, and purple. So yeah, this is one of it in the craft section. And this 8x10 canvas, I have something in my mind to do a project with this. So yeah, this is one of the canvas board, and this is definitely a decent size, and it's a very good price for $1. So I always like their canvases. Yeah, and I got a bunch of AAA batteries, so I need this for one of the upcoming projects. So this is home. And I also needed some mailing tape. This is also for projects. So this is also home. And this is something that I saw interesting in Dollar Tree. I have to see how this works. I never tried this. A roller cutter. It's definitely a good product for $1. And I've seen in a lot of other hauls on YouTube. So I thought like I should buy it too. And I'm going to give it a try and let you know how this works. I'm sure it will work good. So this is really a good quality product, and then it's a really good buy for $1. So you're almost done. I got some 2 beautiful decorative birds. Aren't they cute? They're so cute. So I have a project in my mind that I'm going to do with these cute birds. Yeah, please look out for that. And the next one is the satin pillow. I always get their satin pillowcases. Some I use for pillowcases and some I use for the projects. I do sewing a lot, so this is for sewing. I'm going to sew a project with this, and I'll show you in my upcoming videos. Yeah, this is home. It's nice. I like these colors of like the combination of those burgundy and gray or beige. So pretty. So yeah, this is also home. And I love this sign. Happiness is you. And it's such a thick wood. I don't know what I'll do with this. It's so beautiful, so I thought I should have it. So this is home. Isn't that pretty? I loved it. So this is home. It's actually a good solid wood. So yeah. And the next one is this cute wall decor, and it's got wooden beads on the top as the hanger. So I'm going to do something with this. I don't know what I'm going to. This is for the upcoming project though. So yeah, and this is such a cute butterfly on a golden frame. It's so dainty and so classy. So I thought like I should use this. I don't know what I'll do with this, but I wanted to have it. So this is home. Yeah. And the last one is the letter J, and this is ceramic. They have almost all the letters, but J is my daughter's name, so I brought this home. I'll decorate this and I'll give it to her so she can decorate it in her room. So yeah, this is home. And the very last one is this, large size basket. Can you believe it? Old basket. They have it in almost all colors. I loved the white color. So isn't that pretty? It's such a decent size for $1. So I couldn't come without taking it home. So this is home. So this is a canvas which is 6 by 8, and I did a project long back and I didn't happen to record that on YouTube, but I posted it on Instagram. So one of my follower, they have wanted to see the tutorial of it. So I'm going to do in a miniature form of that. So yeah, please look out for that project. So I'm going to do a project on this in a miniature form. So yeah, that's one of it. And this glitter glue, and I found this glitter glue in interesting colors. This is pink, lavender, or purple, or this is like a chocolate brown. Kind of like this color, so I'm going to use this for one of my upcoming projects. So these are the few things that I want to share in this video. It's very short and sweet and quick, isn't it? So I thought so too. So as I always say, I enjoyed Dollar Tree, and they are really good stuff. So you have to be really choosy and picky and which one that is good and good quality. And I go and pick those and use it for all of my projects are basically Dollar Tree based. I don't use any other items except some maybe Michaels, some of the paint brushes and things like that. But otherwise, mostly my projects are Dollar Tree based. And yeah, I love Dollar Tree. So like I always say, I want to share my happiness with you all. That's why I made this haul. So thank you so much for watching today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and click on the bell icon for notifications on videos like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you next time.